So here's this one. It's a little awkward. There's a lot of space here, but at the same time, I do kind of like how I can put my hand here and wrap it there. So just think about those things when you're making your handles. All right, so I have this clay. I'm going to use my smooth rib. This is my flattened coil that I started to roll out. You still want to make sure you get rid of any fine, what am I trying to say, fine cracks, anything like that. If it tapers, if it gets skinnier, you want this to be towards the bottom of your handle. And then you're going to make your shape. Put on its side, make the shape you like. I grab my mug, I use it as a comparison. Okay, just checking this out. I'm not a big fan of really a lot of these shapes. That's probably okay, I guess. All right, so now I have to let this sit for a little bit. Now my mug is getting kind of dry, so while I am making my handles, I do want to spray this or put some water on it. If your mug is not dry at all, do not do this. Okay. And I want to wrap this up, make sure there's no puddles inside. Wrap it up. Just sitting there so it can soften up just a tiny bit while I finish these handles. All right, the next one I'm going to make is a pulled handle. Actually, I'm going to make the cheater pulled handle first. So for that, I'm going to grab some more clay. Same thing. I am going to make a coil. Put a twist in it. I kind of need to move these out of the way. Ooh, be careful. Okay, I'm going to flatten it a little. Okay, now I didn't mean to taper it, but it's okay that it's tapered. All right, now I'm going to use my bucket of water. I will adjust my camera. All right, so this is a cheater way of doing a pulled handle. You dip your hand in, and then you just kind of pull along your bumpy flattened coil. And what happens is it stretches it out a little bit, makes it a little thinner. Also smooths it out because it's starting to look a little bit better. And now I can use this. That's how easy that is. So I like if you run your thumb also down it, you'll get a cool, I don't know, it does something, makes the handle kind of fun to hold, which I know sounds strange, but you start thinking about things like that. All right, so I'm going to put this down and let it dry a little bit, firm up a little bit. And we'll see which one's the best looking one. Okay. And then I'm going to make a real pulled handle next. I will stop the video and make a new one.